590000.
యూజర్ ఎవరన్నా?
ఏం అర్థం కావట్లేదు.
వీళ్ళు మీరు యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తున్నారా?
హలో హలో
హలో, రివీల్ యువర్ నేమ్ ప్లీజ్, యూజర్ ఐడి.
No problem. I will start our session. Okay, you can see here. This is the candlestick chart. Okay, just hold on. Okay. Okay. Can you see my desktop candlestick charts? Okay, you can see here the candlesticks has three parts, three major parts. One is upper wick, lower wick, and real body. This is the opening price, this is the closing price, this is high price, this is low price. Okay, if you have any questions, you can raise your hand so that I can talk to you. So similarly, this is high price, closing price, open price, low price, and I will explain on chart also. Okay, this is bearish candlestick, open price. This was a red candle, not green
Previous
candle.
one. I'm asking about previous one was a green candle, right?
Previous one, yes, this one green candle.
Okay.
This is bearish candle, and I will show you on chart also. Okay, you can see here. Okay, you can see the 11.14. Okay, so the candle started from here and closed here. Okay, and here also the candle started here, closed here, here, here. So जाने just wait.
Two IDs, same name.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, just hold on.
మీటింగ్.
Yes. ఏంటి
లాక్ పెట్టారు కొద్దిగా, మీటింగ్ ఎవరు జాయిన్ అవ్వరేమో.
లాక్ చేయమంటావా? No problem. Okay, I will explain this candlestick. Okay, this candlestick formation here. So this candle started from this point and closed this point. Okay, this is the lower point, this is the higher point. Okay, you can see here, this is higher point, right? From here to here, this is opening price, this is opening price, this is closing price. Okay, okay, this is closing point, this is the lowest point at this minute. Okay, you can see this candle formed as a inverted hammer or pinning top. So candlestick formed like this. This is opening price, this is closing price, this is low price, this is high price. Okay, if you see this candle, if you see this candle on candlestick, you can find this one, Okay, you can see here. Yeah, this one. Okay, you can see here the candlestick formation: low point, closing, opening point, closing point, low point, high point. Candlestick will form like this. Okay, you can see here candlestick will form like this. So now I will show you. I will explain about SNR strategy, support and resistance level introduction. Okay, you
Bro,
can
I
see
have a
here
question.
this one. Yes,
Bro, why
who
we
is
need to
this?
see that area chart? I mean, I joined your class. Maybe I missed something. Why you need to see that?
Okay, who is this? What is your name? Who is this, bro?
Imran.
Imran. Okay, I'm just explaining you the introduction of candlesticks. Okay,
Okay.
introduction of candlesticks here on the bar chart. Okay,
Okay.
you can the candlestick will form like this. Okay, you can see the opening price. This is the low price, this is the high price, this is closing point. Okay, if you draw this all lines here, okay, just wait, I will draw it. Okay, this is the opening point, this is closing price, high price, low price. If you combine all these lines, the candlestick will form like this. Just wait. Okay, this is opening price, this is closing price, this is high price, this is low price, right?
Yeah, bro.
Okay, if you combine all these things, this is real body. Okay, this is real body,
So this
this
candle
is
started
opening
at
price, this is closing price.
537 and closed at 538.
Yes, this is 30-second candle. Okay,
Yeah.
this is 30-second candle. This candle started from this point, price is started from this point, and this is low point, this is high
High
price,
point.
this is closing price. Okay, if you
Okay.
combine all these 4 points, the candlestick will form like this, right?
Yeah.
So this is the interaction of candlestick. Okay, I
This
will
is a green candle, maybe.
just wait. Yes, this one is a bullish candle. Okay, I will explain you about today the topic is drawing SNR level. Okay, you can see this one is a support level, right?
Yeah.
Support means buyers area.
Yeah.
Buyers, when market come to this level, buyers entered. So you can consider this level as a support level. Okay, and this one also, this is a resistance level. When market come to this level, it reversed. Sellers entered. So this point is a support level. This one is a
Resistance.
resistance level, right? So you can draw the support and resistance like this. This is a support. When again market come to this level, there is a chance to reverse from this point because this is a support. Okay, this is a resistance. When again market come to this level, it may reverse from this level because this is a resistance. But if you want to trade on support and resistance, you need to draw strong levels. Okay, strong levels will work almost every time. I will show you how to draw strong levels. Okay, this is support, this is resistance, and I will show you now how to draw strong levels. So okay, here, okay, I'm drawing here a support and resistance levels. This is not. Okay, I'm drawing here support and resistance levels. So you can see when market come to this level, buyers entered. This is buyers entry point, and we are seeing the buyers candle from this point. Okay, this whole area is a buyers area. This whole area is a buyers area. Buyers entered from this point, but we are seeing the buyers entry from this point. This is the real body, buyer's body. So we can draw this level as a support level, but I'm drawing only, just wait, I'm drawing only closing points as a support and resistance. So again, when market come to this level, it reversed, which means this is a seller's area. So I'm painting this with white color, and I'm painting this with yellow color. Okay, when again market come to this level, it reversed. So this one is a support. This is a support level. Again it reversed from this level. So the market choose this point as a resistance. So I'm painting this with white color. So again it reversed from this level. I'm drawing all support and resistance levels. Okay, I'm drawing all support and resistance levels. So this one also, it reverts from this level. So again here also, the market is reversing from this level. It reversed at least for 1 meter. So that's why I'm drawing this as a resistance. Resistance for this minute. Resistance for 1 minute. It worked as a resistance. Okay, this one also. Okay, this one also. Okay, I'm trying this all levels. Okay, I draw from this point and I close here, and this one also, it reverts from this level, and this one also, it reverts from this level. So this one also. Okay, this is my last line. Okay, this here you can see the all yellow lines are support levels here, and the all white lines are resistance levels. So just wait. Okay, these all white lines are resistance, these are yellow lines are support levels. The market moved like this. I will explain here. Okay, the market start from this point and it reversed here, and again it reversed from the support, again it reversed from the resistance. This is the resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support. Okay, you can see the market is moving like this, right? This all levels are support levels. Okay, these all levels are resistance levels, but here this is the resistance, this is the support, but we don't know this level is strong or not. Okay, we need to identify the strongness of this level. Okay, we need to know if the level is strong or not. Okay, I will explain you how to identify strong levels from these levels. These all are support and resistance levels, but all are not strong levels. Only few of them are strong levels. We need to identify, we have to identify the strong levels. Okay, I will show you how to identify the strong levels from these lines. Okay, to identify the strong levels, we need to go with past history. Need to go with past history, and you need to check all the support and resistance points if the levels are working or not. We need to check all the things. Okay, I will show you from here. You can see it reverts from the same level. Okay, it reversed from the same level. This one also it reversed. So this level is working, right? This level is working. This level is working, right? It worked here, it worked here. Okay, you can see it worked here. This is the breakout. It reversed from the same level. It reversed, 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 breakout. Okay, this one also. So I'm removing this line. This is not good line. Okay, okay, it worked here. It worked. Okay, it worked. Okay, I'm removing it. Okay, okay, it worked. Worked. Breakout didn't work here. Okay, the level is from here to here. I'm adjusting the levels according to the market. Okay, it reversed from the same level. Okay, you can see it worked. It worked, right? So it reversed from the same level. It reversed. It reversed. This is the breakout. So this level is working. This one is also working, right? So this is the breakout. This one is a breakout. Okay, it reversed from the same level. Break it. Breakout. Okay, I think these two are strong levels. I'm removing these all levels. Okay, I need to check the levels are working or not. It reversed. Out of, okay. Okay, it reversed, reversed. Okay, it reversed. Okay, these two lines are working. Okay, when market come to these levels, when market come to this level, it reversed, right? When market come to this level, it reverses. So it means this is the strong level. You can trust this level. Okay, it reversed, right? This is the rejection from the same level. So these two levels are strong levels. We can trust these levels. So when market come to this level, most of the time it reversed, right? It means these levels are strong levels. Okay, these levels are strong levels. So we can trade on these levels. Okay, when market come to this level, we can use these levels. Okay, these two are very strong levels. I'm seeing you are seeing it. It reversed from the same level, same points, again and again. Okay, you can see here it reversed from the same point. Okay, you can trust this level. You can trade on these levels. Okay, you can trade on these levels. When again market come to this level, it will reverse. It will reverse at least for 1 minute. It will reverse. Most of the time, it will reverse. Almost 90% or 85%, it will reverse. When market come to this level, it reverse. You are seeing the. So this way you can draw strong levels. Strong levels will give you good winning ratio. If you trade on strong levels, it will give you good winning ratio. Not all support and resistance are strong. Okay, this is also a support, and this one also a support. This one also a support. Not all support and resistance are strong. Only few are strong. You can use the strong levels. Okay, you can use the strong levels. Only few are strong, but strong levels will always work. Always, most of the time it will work. It will reverse the market at least for 1 minute. You can draw these strong levels on 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour candlestick also. You can draw here also. If you want to trade long term, can you can draw here also like this. Okay, okay. In 1 hour also it is reversing from the same point. It is reversing from the same point. So you can trust these levels, and I will show you how to draw strong support again in another pair. Okay. This is the price bar. I draw near to price bar. If market come to this level, it will reverse. You can use these levels, and I will draw again. Okay. If you have any questions, you can raise your hand. So I can talk to you. Okay, I'm drawing here strong levels. Okay, this is the price bar. You can draw here the support and resistance all levels, and you can check with past, or you can go past near to price level and you can draw. I will show you how to draw in the past history. Okay, I'll draw here. Okay, this is uptrend. Okay, no problem. This is price bar. I'm drawing near to price bar in the past history. I need to go past, so you can see the price bar here. Okay, I'm drawing here. If you draw the strong levels in the past history, you can easily check the strongness of this level. Just wait. This is price bar. Just wait. Okay, I'm drawing from this level near to price bar. This is the price bar. Okay, this is support for this market. It reversed from this level again. I'm drawing main levels, and again it reversed from this level. Okay, again it reversed from this point. Okay, it reversed from this point. And here also. Okay, this one also. Okay, I'm drawing this from this point. Okay, this all areas. This one also. Okay, I draw these levels. So we need to check whether the levels are working or not. Okay, you can see here it reversed from the same level. Again it reversed. Okay, it reversed. I need to adjust the level. Okay, it reversed from the same level. Okay, this one. Okay, okay, we need to check the cost. Okay, the market is not good, but no problem. Okay, it reverse. This is low value market. Breakout reversed. Okay, it is working here. Okay, it reversed from the same point again. Okay, it worked. Okay. Okay, it reversed. Okay, okay. Okay, this level is working, and this all are not working, I think. So we need to adjust the level according to the present market. Okay, this is price bar. These two levels are here. These two levels are here. So okay, Okay, you can draw like this. Okay, this is the level, this is the level. So the level is working, right? The level is working. When market come to this level, it reversed at least for 1 minute. Even the breakout, it reversed here. Okay, this is the rejection from the same level. It reversed, reversed. It break this level because of this strongness. Reversed. Okay. So you can use this level, above level, this white line. You can use this level. This is fake breakout. I will explain about fake breakouts, why the fake breakout happen. Okay, you can see when market come to this level, it will reverse. Okay, you can see here the rejection from the same level, this point. So you can see market reversed from the same level here at this level because of this strongness. So strong levels will work almost every time. You can trust the strong levels. You can use the strong levels to trade. Okay, not all support and resistance levels will work. Only strong levels will work. Just wait. See this. Okay. Okay, you can see here it reversed from the same level. It reversed from the same level. Here also, because this is strong level. Strong level means it is reversing. It reverses from the same level again and again. When market hit this level, it reverses. It reverses at least for 1 minute, right? That's why we can consider this level as a strong level. Strong level will always work. You can trade on strong levels. Strong levels will give you more accurate results, good winning ratio. You can trust the strong levels. This way, you can draw the strong levels. This is breakout. Even the breakout it reversed. Okay? But I will teach you how to trade on strong levels. Okay, the today topic is how to draw the strong levels. How to draw the strong levels. The tomorrow topic is how to trade on strong levels. Okay, and I will show you. If you don't know how to draw, if you are a newbie, you can draw support and resistance level like this. So just wait, I will show you. Okay, I will show you here. This is Fibonacci tool. You can see higher high, lower low. So you can check here which level is working. So 61 point level is working, I think. Okay, it reversed, reversed, breakout, it reversed. Okay, it reversed. So 61.8 level is working almost every time. So you can draw here as a level, okay, and remove the Fibonacci tool here, and you need to adjust the level according to the market. Okay, and I will draw one more line here, this one. Okay, so you need to adjust the level. Okay, now it is working perfectly. Okay, the level is working now, right? The level is working. Okay, you can draw like this. Okay, only 61.8 level is working here. 61.8 level is working here. If you don't know how to draw the levels, how to draw support and resistance levels, you can draw like this also, it will give you more accurate results. And this is very strong level. You need to adjust the level according to the market, but actually the level is okay. The 61.8 level is here, but I adjusted the level here. Okay, so this level is working. The level is working. This is breakout, it reversed. This is breakout, it reversed from the same level. So when market again come to this level, it will reverse. Okay, there is a chance to reverse. There are more possibility to reverse the market when market hit this level. Okay, you can see this is breakout, it reversed from the same level. Break this level because
of this strongest, break this level, it reverse from the same level. So this is the level, it works almost every time, right? It works almost every time. Reverse from the same level, reverse. So you can draw the support and resistance level like this. If you don't know how to draw support and resistance, if you are newbie, you can draw like this also. It will also work. But if you draw the support and resistance levels in the past history, and if you check the levels are strong or not, if you find the strong levels, you can use these levels in the future also. Okay, it reverses from this level.
And it reversed from the same level. So in the future also you can trade on the same levels. Once you draw the levels, leave them and use these levels in the future. It will give you some good results in the future also. Yeah, this is the strong level. Strong level will always work. Most of the time it will work. It will give you almost 90% winning ratio. Sometimes almost 100% winning ratio. You can use this level as a strong levels. Strong levels will work. Okay, this way you can draw the support and resistance levels. This is the SNS strategy introduction. How to draw support and resistance, how to draw strong levels, and tomorrow I will teach you how to trade on strong levels. Okay. With this strategy, you can get some good results. And in the last 3 sessions, I will teach you on the candlestick analysis, complete candlestick analysis. But the SNS strategy is very important for everyone, for newbies as well as professional traders. Everyone will use SNR strategy. Without SNR, you can't trade with candlestick psychology. You can't predict. SNR support and resistance is very important for every real trader. So you need to know the strong levels. You can find the strong levels like this also, but you need some good experience to find the strong levels. So this is price bar, right? This is price bar. You are seeing the price bar here. So if this is a strong level, you can see the price bar here. You can see it reversed. Okay, it reversed from the same level. So you can check like this. The price bar is at the strong level, right? It is reversing from the same level. Okay, you can see it reversed from the same level. So this is the strong level, which means you can trust this level. You no need to draw any level here. You can find the strong level with price bar, but you need some experience to identify the strong levels with this price bar. To get that type of experience, you need to draw manually, and with your experience it will come. You can come to know how to identify strong levels with this price bar. Okay, so you can check in the past history near to price bar. If market is reversing almost every time from this level, you can use this level. You can trade. Okay, you can trade on these levels. So strong levels, you will think this is extreme level. it means this is strong level. You will think this is extreme level, it means it will strong level. This is not strong level. Not all extreme levels are strong levels. Strong levels will always reverse the market. When market hit that level, it reverses. So that you can find in that way the strong levels. This is not extreme levels or strong levels. Not all extreme levels will work, because sometimes you can see sometimes the market will break this level, right? Because just wait, I will show you here from some extreme levels. Sometimes extreme levels will break, sometimes. Okay, it reverse, no problem. Extreme levels will sometimes market break the extreme levels also. We don't know the reason why it break this level. So you can think this is the strong level. You can think this is a strong level, this is peak level. So it breaks this level, and here also it reverse. So most of the time the strong levels will break, the market break this level. Most of the time market break this level. Okay, so not all extreme levels will work. Sometimes market break the extreme levels also, but if you trade on strong levels, it will work. If you trade on strong levels, it will work. You can get some good results when you trade on strong levels. Okay, but I will explain you tomorrow how to trade on strong levels, so that you can start on real account with practice.
From from after third class, I think. If you know how to trade on strong levels, you can trade on real account. But before trading on real account, you must practice on real account, demo account first, because you need to know the strategy is working or not. If you are confident on this strategy, if you get some good results on demo account, you can trade on real account. You can start on real account, but always follow money management. No need to control our emotions, because no one can control our emotions. It's very common for everyone, even for professional traders, they can't control their emotions. But if you follow money management, you can get some good profit with money management. Emotions are not a problem. It's very common for everyone. But if you want to control your emotions, you need to follow money management. Okay? So you can see the rejection from the same level, because this is a level, this is a level, get this level. So strong levels will always work. Most of the time, almost every time it will reverse the market. Okay, but I will teach you how to trade on strong levels. So today's topic is how to draw the strong levels. The strong levels will give you good indication. Okay? Now if you have any questions now, you can ask me. I will unmute all the participants. Hello? Yes, everyone. If you have any questions, you can ask here.
Hello,
Hello.
bro. Hello, bro.
Yes, who is this?
Yeah, Mani Raj here.
Yes.
Actually, what is mean by price action? I don't know that exact meaning.
Price action.
Yes.
Price action is nothing but price movement.
Yes. Price movement mean?
This is the price is moving like this, right?
Okay.
Okay, you can find here. So you can see the price is moving up and down like this, right?
Okay.
So by checking how the price is moving, you can find some solutions. Like you can see the price is going down, right? The price is going down. So now also the sellers are entering into the market. You can guess it will go more down by analyzing this, right? Price action means price movement. You need to analyze the price movement. Price action is nothing but analysis.
Okay.
Price action trading. Okay.
Okay, bro, fine.
Okay, anyone have any questions? Hello, hello, yes, hello,
Yes, sir.
yes.
No, sir, I have no doubt.
Okay, Andy, fine. How are you doing?
I am fine, sir.
Okay. What about your trading?
Sir, it's going well.
Okay, very good. Follow money movement.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry about your emotions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Is there anyone to have questions? To raise your questions?
No questions from my end.
Okay. Okay, good.
The Romshi is asking about trade.
Yes. Yes, Vamshi. Tell me.
Tomorrow, can you go with take your
Okay, I can't hear your voice. Voice is not clear.
I'm asking for a take this one.
Who is this? Vamshi. Yes, Vamshi. Huh? Tell me. Voice is not clear, Vamshi, from your side. Fake breakout. About fake breakout? Yeah. Okay, I will explain you tomorrow about fake breakouts. I think not tomorrow, day after tomorrow class. I will explain about fake breakouts. Okay. First, practice to draw strong levels. Okay. If you find
If you know how to find the strong levels, then we can start our class on how to trade on strong levels. Okay. You need good winning ratio, right? Whether the strategy is SNO strategy or candlestick, whatever it is, but you need good winning ratio and you need some profit, right?
Right, sir.
I will explain all the possibilities to get good winning ratio and to get some good constant profits, and you can trade all the ways. Okay, not only with SNO strategy, and I will explain about everything.
as much as possible and like I'll explain everything. Okay. Practice well on demo first. Don't trade on real account. If you want to trade on real account, contact me. I will explain. If I say to trade on real account, then you can trade on real account. Okay.
Okay, Johnny, are you there? All okay. No questions from your side, right?
Yeah, there are so many questions, but
Yes. Who is this?
actually, do one thing, bro. It will be better. Like, open one more your Telegram, like for training, personally for training.
I can't hear your voice clearly. D- Can I know who is this? Just
Just wait. Okay, who is this? Paul? Paul, yes, Paul. Just tell me. Okay, I think the voice is not clear from your side.
Mute everybody and then let the person who wants to speak unmute themselves because there's a lot of background noise.
yes, yes,
Yeah, that would be better.
yes. I'm unmuting the person.
Okay, this one. Admin. Close to your microphone, Paul. Yes. Paul, yes. Can you speak loudly? Yeah, I was saying that. Open one more like a Telegram group.
So,
One more Telegram.
yeah, I mean for the training person only who are in training,
Okay, okay, bro.
we can discuss about what for tomorrow about training would be for what kind of training.
Okay,
That
okay,
will be
okay.
better.
No
Yeah.
problem. I will make one Telegram room for you.
Yes, that would
Okay.
be
Do you
better.
have any questions now?
Actually, sir, I don't have right now. Actually,
Okay. If you have any questions, you can contact me on Telegram. Okay.
yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Who is this admin? Okay. Don't have any questions now, right? Okay. If you have any questions, you can contact me on Telegram. I will reply anytime. If I have time, I will reply and I will explain everything. Okay. We can start our next session from tomorrow at the same time, 11 a.m. Okay.
Yes, bro.
Okay. Bye.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome, bye.